Good evening all. Tonight it's a focus on the UV-5RH, the new one, this one here. Just on the frequency search function. Say like you've got an FRS or a GMRS or a radio that's next to you which its display doesn't work and you're not too sure what it's broadcasting on. I'll show you how to use the UV-5RH to scan VHF, UHF and the, better to say the 2 meter, the 70 centimeter and 1.25 meter bands for the frequency it's using, and if there's a DCS or a CT/CSS and what that code is that happens to have been set up. So let's get started here. First of all, we'll turn on the UV-5RH.
Welcome. Frequency mode.
Then the UV-22L.
Welcome. Frequency mode.
And then one of my favourite radios, the DM6100. Right, now then. As you can see, I've got this one already set on a 220. The reason I'm using this one, even though this one here is my favourite, this unfortunately is only a dual band. It's dual band, analog and digital. It's a pretty good little radio actually. I'll put a link to it in the description. It's one of the first digital radios I got. Yeah, so it's only dual band. This one is actually a tri-band. So first of all, I've programmed a frequency into here, which is 44.35. It's a bit out of focus there, but okay, I'll bring it forward. Which is 444.350. So what I'm going to do to get this into searching mode is you push and hold this button, and it goes into search mode. As you know, if you push and release that button, it takes you into airplane mode. Now we can see it's searching UHF and it's searching. So to change this, you would either press the asterisk key, oops, not asterisk, pound key, whatever you call it over here, and you'll see it changes to VHF. Maybe I'll bring that a bit closer so you can see it. If you push it again, it goes to 200, push it again, UHF, VHF, so forth and so on. And if you want to do it again, you can also use the AB button, which will change it from UHF to 200 and etc, etc. So the frequency we are currently on, oh, okay. The frequency we are currently on is 444.350. And this is a bad example because somebody is breaking in here. Okay, let's cancel this. Hold on a second. Who's coming in here? Okay, so let's do it again. Push and hold. It's scanning the UHF. This one is on UHF, so I'm going to transmit. And as you can see, it found 444.350 with a tone of 67. So let's go and have a quick look in the menu on this. So we go to menu. It's a bit bright, I don't know if you can see that. And then you go down to settings, program, edit channel VF4A, view, and you can see there's the transmission frequency, which we already knew. Let's see if I can focus that a bit better. Oh, it's a bit bright, that's what it is. And you can see the subtone, there it is, 67. So it got that correctly. Let's go back to this one. And let's exit out of here. Now let's try a 140, 47, I don't know, 546 or something, I don't know, whatever. Enter. So it's now set at 147.546. Let's change the, edit the, where is it? Transmit subtone. We'll change it to DCS this time. Then we go back and we select these are slightly different, so let's subtone type. Yeah, this radio's got some weird settings, but I still like it. So let's go back to say CSS. Back, select. Let's just pick another random one out of the queue. Okay, there we go. Save, saved. Exit, 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 exit. Right, so we're going to tell this to search again. I pushed the wrong button there. Anyway, it's back on UHF, except it's 147, so we need to put it into VHF. Okay, it's in VHF, so let's transmit. What have I done wrong here? That's oh, is that out of range? Yep, some sort of idiot broadcasting there. Okay, that's annoying me. There's somebody else broadcasting around there. It's on 100 megahertz. Okay, so let's do the search again. I can do it as quick as I can so it doesn't pick up that one. So, I changed the frequency. Sorry, I changed the the frequency to 146.445, so let's do a scan. VHF, transmit. Oh, what am I? Wow. Okay, so somebody's been a pin in the butt on the VHF at the minute. So let's just skip VHF for the moment, and let's use this one. I'm on the 200, the 1.25 megahertz. So we click on that again, push and hold. We're going to search for 200 megahertz. Let's see what this has got. Oh, as you can see, it found 221, 555, and it's got a DCS of D035N. So, does it? Let's have a look.
Menu.
Think like the DCS, transmit DCS. Oh, there it is. Yep, it's got that set up as a DCS. So let's go and let's just change it to. Let's turn the DCSS off. Where is it? Oops. Transmit.
DCS. Menu.
Where is it? Let's try another one. Oops. Oh my goodness me.
DCS.
Oh, there it is. So we just turn the DCS off now.
Confirm.
Let's change the frequency. Let's go to 222. Oh, 220.
2, 2, 0, 4, 5, 6.
Right, random one there. So if you want it to scan again, you just push the button, release it again. There we go. And there you go, it's found it again. And as you can see, it's got no DCS done. So basically that's how you do it. As I say, you go to this button here, so let's exit out. Now this is the button you push if you want to listen to airband, so you push and release, it takes you into the AM airband. Push and release, it brings you back to wherever you were. but it's to push and hold that you can say for UHF, push the button down, you get VHF, push it down again, you get the 200. So that's it. That's how you use the frequency search option on the UV-5RH. Okay, have a good night everybody. See you soon. Goodbye.